So underneath of this is where your second battery is.
My second battery and my get on this side.
Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. How you doing, man?
Good, how about you?
Jacob do YouTube videos.
Yeah, I've met you before.
All right, could you give me your name and what's in here real quick, man?
My name's Travis. I have a 2 laser 12s, a 4800 on a VFL hybrid.
Okay. Could you tell me what the electrical's like, your battery and alternator?
Stock alternator.
Okay.
0 gauge all the way to the back.
Okay.
Nothing special in here.
Do you have any extra batteries?
I have one extra battery. Don't know what it's called.
It's all right.
And the battery.
Okay.
On the spare tire well.
Awesome. All right. Can I see the back real quick? Oh, very nice. So underneath of this is where your second battery is.
My second battery and my get on this side.
Be sure to give them a like, subscribe, everybody. Oh, that's where your amp is. There we go. Nice. Thank you. All right. Laser cardio. All right.
Warner Robins, Georgia.
Okay. On everybody, this is Jacob Vile. I hope you enjoyed the full walk-around we got of his system. He was showcasing at the Sundown Audio Show in North Carolina area. So give him a like if you haven't already, as well as let him know what you think about his system by commenting. Pretty impressive to see how loud this system got. Notice the way the port depth is. Definitely was tuned right at the lower to mid 30 hertz range. Seemed to like 37 hertz the most. Tried to find out the specs of this. This is a 12 to 1500 watt RMS 12-inch sub. Laser offers 4 or 5 different level options. And this is the VFL 4800, but I wanted to know what the RMS was. On their site showed 2400 watts RMS. So this is a more lower budget system. So shout out to everybody that likes systems like this in the hatchback. Pretty impressed to see 2 12-inch subs. So I have a question for everybody. Do you have your subs in port back? Do you put them up, forward? Comment what works for you. I notice a lot of people usually put subs up, port back, but he made it work with this. So we're getting to the demo now. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button for daily videos and enjoy.
a good day, man. Laser cardio. All right.
Warner Robins, Georgia.
Okay.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you, channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you, everybody, for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.